Anhui Wenyao Intelligent Photoelectronic Technology Company Limited is located in Hefei City, Anhui, China. We are a comprehensive high-tech enterprise integrating scientific research, development, production, sales, and service of intelligent CCD color sorter. Our core parts, like high-speed sensor, 5,400 camera pixels with high sorting accuracy, reach at 0.02 square millimeter. High-frequency long-time service ejector, stable quality LED light, long-time service power, special design sorting box, special process channels, food-grade stainless steel hopper. Our company produces quality goods with advanced technology, production testing equipment, and better quality assurance system. Pass CE certificate. Our machines are used for sorting rice, wheat, corn, peanuts, coffee beans, walnuts, almond, cashew nuts, sesame, tea, plastic, and other agricultural and industrial products. Our machines with very high stable quality performance, prompt after-sales service, and faster delivery get great reputation from customers. We supply 24/7 service and technical support. Service engineers are available to all of the countries to give customer installation and operation training. Machines are exported to South Asia, Southeast Asia, Europe, Middle East, Africa, and South America. Our company has advanced technology with a high level of technology research and development team, won 8 invention and utility model invention patents. Our mission and value. There are no difficult materials to sort. Customer first, service first, teamwork, create a win-win situation. Welcome to use Wenyao Color Sorter.